Okay, go ahead.
This is the last one because I know it's a little bit of topic. There are some sins that the person is accountable for that he can only pay for in Gehinnom, like the ones that he commits before the age of 20. Is there a way of doing Teshuvah for those sins in this life before you have to pay for them somewhere else?
Mm-hmm. Okay, so I mean it's a little mix. So let me start from the beginning. So if somebody needs to go, they can disconnect. But it's very very important topic to know. So the earthly court punishes a person from the age of 13 for a boy and 12 for a girl. So that's the age of maturity, right? So whatever they commit, whatever sin that they commit, the Beis Din can punish them even with death penalty, right? But in Shemaim, in heaven, they judge a person only from the age of 20. So only from the age of 20, it's considered to be mature, right? But the thing is that a person can from the age of 13. So what is the age of 13? So we must know what the age of 13. Age of 13, it's when the good soul, the good inclination, Eitzer Hatov, comes into the person. Until the age of, I'm talking about boys, so it's easy, right? So a girl is from 12. So until the age of 13, from 0 to 13, this little guy had only Eitzer Hara, only bad inclination. And from the age of 13, so on that birthday, he gets this extra inclination, Eitzer Hatov. So now after he gets this balance, even though Eitzer Hara is much older, much more experienced than this good inclination, right? So now in some sense there is a balance in some sense, and the person can get can do Teshuvah. So you can do Teshuvah from 13 years old. It does not matter whatever person did in their life. And the example we today give as Menashe, King Menashe was a very wicked king, and he killed all of the prophets, all of the sages in Israel. That's how he wishes he was. He installed the idols in the temple, right? In the Holy of Holies. I don't remember exactly, but for sure in the temple courtyard. So and he was worshiping idols, Baal, Asherah tree, all of the abominations, right? And even he was able to do Teshuvah. So other the sins that a person must go to Gehinnom, there are sins, but even for those you can do Teshuvah. So there are three sins, right? That person goes to the bottom of Gehinnom, so it's the seventh level, and never returns unless he does Teshuvah. If first of all, if he does not keep Shabbos, goes to the seventh level, never returns. If he wastes seeds, does not do Teshuvah, goes to that, and heal HaShem. So three things. But for all of these three things, person can do Teshuvah for sure, right? For Shabbos, I would say it's easier. So person stopped keeping Shabbos, regrets what he was doing, put all of the fences around himself, not to violate Shabbos, right? Learns all of the laws pertaining to keeping Shabbos, and that's it. So, and if he would love the mitzvah so much and teach other and do kiruv, of course, and teach bring other people closer. So all of this mitzvah, Rambam writes in Hilchas Teshuvah, HaShem, if he would start doing it out of love, right? HaShem would turn all of the previous sins, all of this Michal Shabbos, even into rewards. Even he would turn all of these days that he were Michal Shabbos into that he was keeping Shabbos. And same with other people. And if he encourage other people, he does kiruv, bring other people back, and then because of him, he inspired somebody. Just send the link. It's not like inspired. You have to talk for 7 hours, right? You send somebody a link. Somebody starts watching the videos, and a person becomes observant. He gets his wife on board, his kids. And all of these people keeping Shabbos, it actually goes to that person account, and this keeping Shabbos and his Teshuvah, so it's bring his account actually to the good standing. That's one. Second is a wasting seed. Again, person stop, he regrets, and he continues to do Teshuvah, right? He continues to do tikkun. There is special tikkun, tikkun habrit, how to fix it, and he encouraged other people also to stop. So that's it. It does not have to go to Genom even for 1 second. You understand? And plus, the biggest out of this, and that's why I left it to the end, is Hil Hashem. When person desecrated Hashem's name in public. So that's the bigger one, the biggest one, I guess. And of course, a person will go through the suffering in this world after he does Teshuvah. It's a cleansing process. So if person just so we're on the same page, if person does Teshuvah and he has no suffering, he has only good things happening to him. He has a raise in his job. He built this company, that company. Only good things, health wise, only good things happening to him. It means that his Teshuvah is not accepted. It's not good. So, but if person does Teshuvah and he has money loss, he has health issue and this and that, so that's actually Hashem is taking some toll on him, it's like some small installment repayment for whatever he did. So it's good. It's actually don't be discouraged when something bad is happening to you. You understand? So and only after a person die, I would say only after a person die. So his sin of being being Hil Hashem can start rectifying. And the simple explanation is, so he left some negative results in this life, so he cannot fix it. So if person was promiscuous, right, and he stopped, right, and that's it, or he was wasting seed, he stopped. That's it, the sin stopped. He was Michal Shabbos, he stopped. That's it, sin stopped. But if he encouraged somebody to be atheist, to go against Hashem, or to do some other things, whatever, he opened, I don't know, nightclub or something, right? So, and where people do the sins. So, because he encouraged other person, inspire other person, give him money or whatever advice, so he cannot fix the sin, because sins can continue in this world. That's why the sin can be rectified only after the person died. So they're the hardest one, but still, if he did Teshuvah, it's only limited time in Gehinom. So unlimited time of Gehinom, again, only if person did not do real Teshuvah. Okay, that's a full answer to your question. Okay, you're welcome.